Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start a new series, Groovy tutorial. This Groovy tutorial is basically customized to use in SAP CPI. Groovy in itself is a scripting and programming language, but here we will not understand. I will not teach you entire Groovy script, but I will teach you only those specific part which is used in SAP CPI or SAP BTP, so that you can make good use of Groovy tutorials, or wherever you want to use Groovy you can use easily. As I understand that Groovy is one of the pain area for the SAP BTP developers. So with my tacit knowledge, I have tried to make this easy for you guys. So before starting to this video, please subscribe in this channel, and also I will be asking few questions here. But I would like you to, whenever you know that, please make a comment so that I know that you guys are actually listening my videos in full, and I have encouragement for that. So let's start with the Groovy. So I will start with a bit of history in the Groovy tutorial. In the Groovy is an object-oriented programming language built in Java platform. First released in 2007, and its initial version was 1.0, and currently a major version 2.4 distributed under the Apache license 2.0. Known for its easy learning and seamless integration with Java, Groovy is widely used in automation and build tools like Jenkins, Gradle. This tutorial will guide you through the core concepts of practical applications of Java in real-world projects. So how I designed this tutorial, that in first two videos I will be explaining, giving you the basics of Groovy tutorial, and then in coming videos I will be actually writing some codes based on best use cases which is used in Groovy in SAP CPI. So let's start. So again I will be if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and for every question I ask, please comment, so that my video, I feel that I am making my efforts to create videos for the community, so community is also responding to my videos. That will be a great help for me. So, as I told, what is Groovy? Groovy is a highly regarded for its simplicity and expressiveness, enabling developers to write concise, reliable codes. Compatibility with the existing Java code and leveraging means it can be easily adopted and integrated into Java-based environment. So if you have a Java-based environment, you can write Groovy code as well, and it will work. The summary of Groovy is, if you have a Java-based environment, you can also run, wherever you can run Java code, you can run Groovy code as well, because it is built upon the Java. So Groovy is an object-oriented programming language. Java is also an object-oriented programming language. So it serves both as a scripting language and fully fledged Java programming language, make it versatile for different type of development. Groovy is highly regarded for its simplicity and expressiveness. So guys, here my first question is, what is object-oriented programming? Based on your answer, I may make one video to make you understand what is OOPS, or object-oriented programming. Why I ask this question? Because I know that people actually don't understand the concept of OOPS. Even they are using OOPS from so long, but still they don't understand. And for any of OOPS language, you have to understand the philosophy of OOPS. So please comment on this video so that I can understand you guys know the object oriented programming language. Oops, what is oops? Now, features of Groovy. Its core capability is support both static and dynamic typing. Operator overloading is also supported by Groovy, and native syntax for the list and associate arrays. What makes Groovy more powerful than Java or more useful in Java is their key advantage. It has native support for regex, regular expression. Regex means if you want to play with the string, if you want to play with the XML, if you want to play with the HTML, so those things Groovy is very useful. Similar syntax and similarity with the Java for easier adoption. So it has similar syntax for the Java like Java, so that you can adopt easily, and availability to use existing Java libraries, extension of Java lang objects. So actually whatever objects and libraries are available, extensions are available in the Java, it's also available in Groovy. Now so let's jump through this basic syntax, how you will write hello world expression. So here in the you can see that we first declared the class, then it's a simple example. Even you won't be differentiating what a Java is and what a Groovy is. So here you can see that class example static void main. You can see that here static void main Java string argument x, and then we have printed this hello world. This is simple Groovy basic. It's not about this is not specific to CPI. We will jump after 2 videos of Groovy basic, we will jump into CPI specific Groovy. So please, I'm again, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, I request you to please subscribe my channel, like and subscribe my channel. Now, what is an import statement? Like in Java, before the start of programming, you want to include some libraries, you want to include some extensions, classes and all. So similarly, whenever you want to start Groovy code, you want to start a Groovy code, you have to write the import statement, like you write in. So auto imported package. Groovy automatically imports common packages like lang, java.lang, java.util, java.groovy.lang. This is bipolate code, and for Groovy uses the import keyword to include external libraries or classes into your scripts, allowing you to extend functionality. So if you want to extend functionality, you can also import other classes like you do in Java. What is a token? A token is either a keyword, an identifier, a constant, and a string little or a symbol. So again, I would like to ask this question: what's a token? How do you write single line comments? And how do you write multi-line comments? So please comment this on my video. So single line comments are marked by double slash. You can see in the example. Multi-line comments are slash, star, and then star slash, and between that you can write multiple line of comments. I have a question here. Why do we require comments in any programming language? Please comment on my video, comment below in the comment section. So why we need comments? The comments are very funny thing about comments is comments are not for you. Comments are for those developers who will work after you in the project. So you make some clarification, you make some of your logic right here, that in the code, So whenever the another developer sees your code, he understands by seeing the comments that what you did in that code. So for that reason, so for the betterment of the coders community, I will always recommend that if you want to become a good coder, you should use the comments wisely and properly. So semicolons in Groovy. Unlike Java, semicolons in Groovy are optional. You may or may not write, it will work. Here is the given two examples: definition x equal to 5, print ln hello, and definition a equal to 5, definition b equal to 10, and print ln a plus b. Now here for the output of the example 2, definition a equal to 5, definition b equal to 10, and print ln a plus b, what will be the output? Can you please write that in my comment? So identifiers, valid student name, $salary, invalid example, one student. You cannot write one student, cannot start with a number. Identifiers cannot start with a number. And then keywords, def, if, for, class, return, which, import. So these are the keywords. So as you know that keywords are the words which is a language specific. You cannot make those keywords. These are words or keywords. Keywords are the reserved only to have some specific meaning for any of the compiler. So like Groovy had all the keywords which is used in Java is also valid for the Groovy. Now, what are the data types in the Groovy? So we have built-in data types, that is sort, used to represent a sort number like 10. We have long number, which is a very big number. If you want 1, 5 times 0, 9 0, 7, 8 digit, 10 digit numbers, if you want to use, you have to declare it as a long. Then again double is a keyword which is having multiple numbers of after decimal. So those numbers, if you want to represent, that can be represented in the data type double. Boolean, 0 or 1, true or false. And byte can be used to represent byte value. Example 2. Integer, used to represent whole number. Example 1 2 3 4. Float, 10.5, 10.10, 10.9. These kind of numbers can be represented as float. Then character defines a single character, little a, like A, B, C. Single character can be defined in char. And then string. These are the text which are represented in the form of chain of characters. For example, hello world. And these kind of strings, a sentence, a complete sentence can be stored in the string. And I believe that these are, everybody who used any of the programming language knows these things. So but again, means since I am covering it for entire community, I have just included this slide. So please write a comment that what is double in the Groovy data types and what kind of number we can represent from double. So variable, like any other language variables, a variable is a name given to a memory location used to store data in program. Its value can be changed during program execution. Variable make it easier to work with data by giving it a name. So variable is actually you are assigning one. Say if you have declared variable a boolean type variable a means a boolean, whatever memory boolean requires, it reserves a memory and then gives a number, gives a name to it, a. And variable values can be changed during the program time. We will use those variables in our program. So variable types, variable declaration. So variable reserves the memory location for data in the programming. Naming variables, names identify that that particular memory location is belongs to this particular name of this particular type of variable, and printing displaying the value, verify program logic and output correct. So guys, this is my first video in Groovy tutorial. I hope you guys will like and comment.